Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, I am going to show you what you can do when Google Services Framework keeps stopping on your Android device. If your Android device is plagued by the Google Services Framework keep stopping error, don't worry. This guide offers a series of straightforward solutions to help you troubleshoot and fix the issue, ensuring your device runs smoothly again. So first, go to your device's settings, and from here, you can scroll down and go to Apps. And here, tap on the sort icon right here, and make sure that Show System Apps is toggled on. Now after that, just tap on OK. And from here, tap on the search icon. And you can type Google Service Framework. So it's right over here. And once you are in here, go to Storage. And from here, tap on Clear Data. Now after that, just go ahead and reboot your device and you should be good to go. Alright, so that's it for this video guys. I hope it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next one.